What if I told you you could run Flux image generation 8 times faster on your Windows PC? That's exactly what Nunchaku does. It's a revolutionary 4-bit quantization technology that makes AI image generation lightning fast, even on older GPUs with limited VRAM. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to install Nunchaku on ComfyUI step by step. By the end of this video, you will be generating stunning images in just 7 seconds instead of waiting minutes. Let's dive right in. Before we jump into the installation, let me quickly explain what Nunchaku is. Nunchaku is an interface engine that uses SVDQuant technology to compress AI models down to 4-bit precision. This means that 12 GB Flux model can run efficiently on GPU with just 8 GB of VRAM while maintaining excellent image quality. It's like having a sports car in a compact car, incredible performance in a smaller package. First, let's check what you will need for the installation. You will need at least Windows 10 or 11. This tutorial is Windows specific. You will also need NVIDIA RTX GPU with at least 8 GB of VRAM. Older GPU also works too. You will also need at least 16 GB of RAM and about 20 GB free disk space and a stable internet connection for downloads. If you are using AMD GPUs or Mac, this method won't work for you unfortunately. If you already have ComfyUI installed and want to add Nunchaku manually, open your ComfyUI and go to Manager, click on the Custom Nodes and type Nunchaku and make sure you're installing the one with over 2K stars. Click install and choose the latest version, select it and it will start installing it. So wait for it to install. It has been installed and now we have to restart your ComfyUI. So click on restart. After you have restarted your ComfyUI, here is the critical part that many people miss. After restarting, double click in the workspace and search Nunchaku installer. This is a special node that will install the correct wheel for your system. In the Nunchaku installer node, make sure latest version is selected. Keep the dev version as none unless you need the development build. Ensure the mode is set to install. You can connect a preview any node to see the installation status. Now click on run and wait for the installation to complete. This downloads and install the correct Nunchaku wheel for your Python and PyTorch version. The system automatically detects your environment. Once the installation finishes, restart the ComfyUI one more time. So we will go to Manager and restart it. Now press R to refresh your browser. Now double click on the blank space and search for Nunchaku. And you should see all the Nunchaku model loaders available. Here are my final recommendation and tips. So keep your ComfyUI and custom nodes always updated. If you encounter any issues, check the GitHub page for solutions that I will add in the description and join the Discord community for help and updates. You can also get my Discord channel link in the description. And that's how you install Nunchaku on ComfyUI. You can now access to lightning fast Flux image generation that works even on older GPUs. The speed improvement is genuinely game changing for content creators like us. If this tutorial helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more AI tutorials. Drop a comment letting me know what speed improvements you are seeing with Nunchaku, and if you are running into any issues, describe your problem in the comments. I read every single one and help where I can. And you can also watch my other tutorials on ComfyUI tutorial series. Until then, keep creating amazing AI art.